Hey everybody, it's Joshua Campbell, your knowledge broker. I'm standing in front of 37 Lundigan Drive in Keswick, which is a home that we sold for a record price in the neighborhood. Now, how did we do it? We knew that the homeowners put over $100,000 into renovations of this home, so we made sure that we highlighted every single one of them. How do we do that? We brought in a photographer early so that they could highlight all the features, whether it was the fixtures, the appliances, the island size, the amazing open concept master ensuite washroom. We made sure all of it was highlighted so that buyers knew what they were getting and they're willing to pay the price for it. So if you have a home that has some special features that you'd like to be highlighted, give us a shout and we'll make sure that they're recognized. Hope you have a great rest of your day. Thank you very much for stopping by our channel. If you have any questions or if you're looking to buy or sell, go to our website and contact us today. Knowledge is power and creates experts in understanding. If you want power, hit thumbs up on this video and subscribe to our channel so you can get weekly videos from me, your knowledge broker.